Hi, I'm Dustin Green, Grill Master and Director of Grill Academy at the Weber Grill, and this is our Weber Genesis Gas Grill.
The Genesis has everything you need to grill anything you want. Grillers want to cook as much as they can and as often as possible without multiple trips to the kitchen. To make sure all your culinary exploration goes perfectly, we have your back with Weber Connect. It's a grill master in your pocket that helps ensure the perfect cook every time. The Weber Connect app features recipes and cook programs, but that's just the beginning. With Weber Connect, you set temperature alerts, timers, and it can alert you when you're running low on fuel. We have the Weber Crafted Outdoor Kitchen Collection. Remove the grate, insert the frame kit, and Weber Outdoor Kitchen Collection grillware of your choice. Want to do some smashed burgers on our flat top? Pizza on our glazed baking stone? Salmon and veggies in our roasting basket? Reverse seared tomahawk using our dual-sided sear grate. Even explore exciting foods using our walk-in steamer, rotisserie skewers, or Dutch oven. The Weber Crafted Outdoor Kitchen Collection is designed to help you discover what's possible, all while cooking outdoors, where everything just tastes better. The new Genesis is designed to take advantage of our largest and hottest sear zone ever. Every new Genesis now comes with an upgraded sear burner to get that high heat sear for everyone that comes to the party. Now every home chef needs a workspace, and the Genesis is here to help with an extra large prep and serve area. And the expandable top cooking grate creates a second level of grilling, giving you nearly double the space. All this and lights for your nighttime cooks. Plus hooks for your favorite tools, hooks for your grates, and a storage locker for your favorite Weber Crafted Outdoor Kitchen Collection grillware. A new pull and clean grease management system tray makes cleaning easier than ever. All with a 12-year limited warranty and outstanding Weber customer service to support you in your grilling adventures. From start to finish, the Weber Genesis is the ultimate culinary experience, all designed to help you discover what's possible.